Coach Kirkland here. If you don't know who I am, I'm Coach Kirkland. I'm one of your PE teachers, or if you cannot recognize me in my mask. We're going to play with balloons this week, and balloons can be a lot of fun, but they're also a safety hazard for little kids and babies. You never, ever, ever put a balloon in your mouth. It can choke you. Do not put the balloon in your mouth. If your balloon pops or whenever you're done with it, please put it in the trash so that your younger brothers and sisters, cousins will not get them that don't know any better to put them in their mouth. But you're big girls and boys now, so you know never, ever, ever put a balloon in your mouth. So now I'm going to show you a couple of ways that you can play with a balloon. One way you can do with one hand. Now I'm going to try the other hand. Now I'm going to hit the balloon with two hands. Now I'm going to hit the balloon back and forth, right to left, left to right, right to left, left to right. Now I'm going to hit the balloon with my elbow. Like a chicken wing. Now I'm going to hit the balloon with my shoulder. Now I'm going to hit the balloon with my head, because balloons are not very hard, so they won't hurt my head. Now I'm going to hit the balloon with my knee. You can also hit the balloon back and forth with a partner. I hope you can understand me with this mask on. I tried to give you little motion signs so you could understand what I was saying in case you can't understand me with the mask on. Can't wait to see you back in school. Bye.